To my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fennel oil for your hair and skin. So stay tuned to find out all the benefits of this wonderful herbal oil. Fennel is a wonderful seed that you can use as spice, and it has other important nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium. You can also use this fennel seed to make infused oil. So I'm going to show you how to make fennel seed oil. So I'm going to add some fennel seed into a bowl. I added about 2 tablespoons of fennel seed. I'll be using a blender to crush this seed because I want the oil to infuse quicker. So I've added the fennel seed into the blender. I will blend, not too smooth. I will just crush it. When I'm done crushing it, I'm going to add it into a bowl. Crushing the seed will make it easier for me to make the fennel infused oil. So I'm going to add some oil. I'm making use of grapeseed oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, like coconut oil, sunflower oil. I'm going to add enough oil to cover the fennel seed. Then I will stir to mix properly into the oil. Adding the oil, you can decide to put it in a jar and allow it to infuse. But I'm going to use double boiler method to quicken the process. So I have a pot that I put water. I will place the bowl into the pot of boiling water. I will allow it to cook so that all the nutrients from the fennel seed will extract into the oil. Allow this to boil for about 20 minutes. You can notice that the color of the oil has changed, which shows that all the nutrients from the fennel have extracted into the oil. So I'm going to turn off the heat and allow it to cool before straining to get the oil. You can decide to pour the oil into a jar and allow it to infuse further for more days. Fennel seed contains a hormone that will prevent hair loss. It also contains antioxidants and nutrients that will help to strengthen hair. So applying this to your hair will help to straighten your hair follicles and also prevent hair fall. You can also apply fennel seed oil to your skin so that your body will enjoy all the nutrients from this oil. It will fight against aging, cellulite, puffy eye, acne, and also nourish your skin. To strain the oil with a chiffon cloth. You can also use this oil and add it to your smoothie or your meal. This oil is so good. If you want to lose weight, it will also help you to lose weight. When I'm done straining the oil, I'm going to store the oil in a container. You can use the fennel oil for your hair and skin so that you can enjoy all the nutrients from this oil. Then you can use it whenever you like. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.